All right, guys. Today I want to just walk through the assignment Ancient Calendar Research. So at this point, you have read through the guide for the project. You have read through the rubric for the project. You've completed the background information on what exactly is time calendar system. So today we're going to dive a little deeper into a specific ancient calendar system. And so here on this page, you'll see the directions using your calendar notes and the links provided in my Google Classroom to learn about the Gregorian calendar and another calendar system listed below. So here I've listed 4 different calendar systems. There were more in the previous reading, but these are the 4 that I think are simplest. If there's another one you would like to use, please reach out to me on Ask so that I can give you guidance on whether or not that's a calendar that is easy to understand or easily found. So here you'll see that it says calendar project, other calendar research link. This is a link to a table that will help you with choosing another system to use from this list above. So I'm just going to pick one, and I'm going to say let's just grab the Hindu calendar system, and so I'm going to change this to the Hindu system, Hindu with one eye. So now I've chosen that. Now I can click on this. This will take me to a link of systems. Now, before we do that one, we need to complete the Gregorian information. The information you're looking for is listed here. The type of calendar system, solar, lunar, or lunisolar. For each calendar, how is a year organized, the number of months or days, what the epoch is. For months, names of the months, number of days per month. For days, names of the days. If they have weeks, numbers of days in a week, and the number of weeks in a month. Are there any intercalations, added days, months, or years? Other important dates, months, years, or facts for that system. So for the Gregorian, we go to that other system. We can click on Gregorian, and it takes us to a page that talks all about it. Much of it is right up here. There's more additional information about the system below. Now, if we go back to this, our next one is to choose one of those. And I chose the Hindu calendar down here, so I'll click on that link. And that will take me to the Hindu calendar. Much of it is up here. There is more about down here, the months in the Hindu calendar, your information here. Please read the section headings. Those will help you find what you need. You can see there's something about leap years, and here is the list of other calendar systems that are possible. So what you want to do is go through and type in your answers for all of the Gregorian. Then I'm going to add all the information for Hindu. Once I've completed all of this, I'm going to go back to the assigned page in my Google Classroom, and I'm going to turn it in. I've now stopped using the science notebook, so everything can just be turned in from here, and I will check your work from there. So that's what you need to do for this project. You have your ancient calendar research, and then you have the set of systems to choose from. Over here, calendar converters. This is information you'll use if you want to get a 7 or an 8. And this is used to convert from our Gregorian calendar into the calendar system that you're working with. So in the Hindu calendar, here is the site. I would look at today, which is the 20th. And that will give me all the information about what is happening in the Hindu calendar on this day. I'll talk more about that when we get to actually doing the personalized calendar. Close that. So at this point, I want to say, remember, make sure that you turn this in when you're finished. This will be tentatively due the Wednesday after. So let me know if you have any questions, email me and let me know if I can help, or come to office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Good luck. I know you guys can handle it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.